How to add products to a collection in Shopify. My name is Krause from Krause Shopify, and in today's tutorial we are going to go over everything needed to successfully add products to a collection. So in this case we are going to get started by simply navigating to products and then do collections right here, and then just head over to create collection on the top right corner, and I'm just going to create a collection. So I'm just going to name this collection winter in this case. You can then set a description, an image, and so on. As for the collection type, the easier setup is going to be just leaving this at manual. That's what I'm going to do as for this video. I'm just going to click on save on the top right. And now, as you can see, no products got added. Now we are going to have two different options of actually adding products onto our collection. The first one would be to just click on browse right here and add all sorts of different products. Alternatively, you can also head over to the product section right here on the left, and right here you can then select all of the different products that you want to add to your collection. Then head over to the three dots right here on the top right and just click on add to collection. Select your collection, in this case collection winter, click on save, and now these products successfully got added onto the collection. We all know that starting a successful Shopify store can be super hard. That's why I'm right now giving out my Shopify course for completely free. Now you're going to learn everything needed to actually streamline your Shopify success in that exact course, so make sure to click on the link down below to get started.